Welcome everyone, you may be in a situation where your Xbox Series S is overheating. So, when you put your hand over this black area, it's extremely hot to the touch, same with this top area here. And the reason why this happens is actually, believe it or not, this is how the Xbox Series S is designed to run. It's designed to be extremely hot, mainly because look how small the Series S is. Compare it to the Series X, we have this massive fan right here, all these vents, and even when you play Xbox Series X games, this Series X, you put your hand over here, it's like you could probably cook an egg on this. But the reason why, again, is just this is how it's meant to run. However, do keep in mind that if you don't have this area here with a lot of free space, so you can see basically this vent has the entire room, then you're gonna have even worse issues, and you may have issues where the Series S starts thermal throttling, and if the Xbox Series S starts thermal throttling, then you're gonna have reduced performance. So what I recommend you do is, if you just want to reduce the overall heat of the Series S, or you don't really have much room, the best bet is to just get a cooling pad. So what I did personally is I have my capture card here, and I have my Wii U, yes, Wii U, and my PS3, and on here is a cooling pad. Now, I actually broke this thing which like powers the cooling pad. However, if you just put your Series S on top of a cooling pad, it will just reduce the overall heat. I also have another one because I got a free replacement because when you social engineer Amazon. But I have I have another one here as well, and I use this for my laptop in order to improve the rendering times if I'm ever rendering a video, or if I'm playing Call of Duty, I'll turn this on as well. So if you really want to, reduce the overall temperature, best bet is you just get a cooling pad. Just search it up on Amazon. You probably want to get a one for laptops. They're not going to make ones for like consoles, because I'm just going to keep it real. You don't really need it unless you have basically no room, and therefore you would. So that's really it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.